All right, all right, all right, 17 hours in. All right. All right, all right, all right. All right. All right, it's 6:30 in the morning, and I'm just about to start my 75-mile attempt. Right now, I'm here in Crater Lake National Park, and I am heading to Shelter Cove. My goal was to start at around noon today, but I woke up and couldn't get back to sleep, so I'm just gonna push on. Didn't get the greatest sleep last night, you know. Can't win them all. Feet are feeling pretty good. Body's feeling good. Mentally, I'm there. We'll see how it goes. The director should be starting his 100K today as well. I think he wanted to start around 2 p.m., but we'll see. He's much better at sleeping in than I am. Wish me luck. Should be coming on the spot where director set up camp. If he stuck to his original plan, he's still gonna be there. But who knows? He may have been through the same thing as me and couldn't sleep in and just decided to roll. So we'll see. Hopefully we do. Be a nice energy boost, and if he's ready, we can hike together. But knowing director, and I know he's gonna see this, that he's not ready. He's probably still laying in his bed, but we'll find out. I couldn't sleep, man.
Okay, I'm back up. Damn.
Do you want me to wait or should I roll? I'm doing it at like 3.9 miles an hour right now.
I'm not catching you if I still have to. I made it gorgeous, that's fine.
Where's your sign? Ah. What does the bottom part say?
0 of 100.
Ah. Yee.
Good morning. What's up? It's almost noon. Ketchup passed me, so today my only adversary is myself. 62.1 miles. Let's do it.
19.2 miles. This last hour was pretty much all uphill. Pulling about a 3.85, a little just under miles per hour, which I'd have to say is probably my fastest for how long I've gone. It's pretty over there.
So Ketchup is not even stopping to bury his poo, which is a flagrant violation of leave no trace principles. I'll definitely need to have a good talk with the man in Shelter Cove, because this is just outrageous. Look at that.
Trail Magic, please pack out. Oh, just empty. Bummer. All right. Let's see. Diva, Ponderosa. Olive oil, there we go.
Coming up on Thielsen Creek, which is a creek that's fed by that huge mountain next to me. I'm going about 3.3 miles an hour, which is great. Shouldn't dip under 2.6 miles an hour, so we're doing fine. I feel really good. It's a little downhill now, and then we're going up to the highest point of Oregon, where I hope to be able to send a little message to mom and dad, freak them out a little that I'm doing 100K. First, a little river shower, aight?
All right, 9 hours deep, 34.4 miles. I am now starting to feel a bit tired, which is earlier than I expected. So, guess that's what happens. A lot of miles in one day. I'm going to probably have some caffeine.
Whoa. Hello there, hiking enthusiasts. It's 4:20 right now, so we know what Ketchup is doing. But what I'm doing is I'm coming up on the highest PCT point of Oregon, which is at 7,500 feet. I'm gonna get there in 10 minutes, which means I've been hiking for 4 hours and 40 minutes, which puts me at 3.3 miles an hour.
Lucky number 13. 13 hours so far, and I'm at mile 49.3. I'm pretty stoked about that. Sun's gonna be going down within about an hour, and it's already starting to get a little chilly, but that's nice because that uphill was nice and warm. I hope Director's doing well, and he's gonna be pushing through the night. I should get to Shelter Cove somewhere in the middle of the night. If I'm able to keep the pace up, I definitely think I'll be beating the 24-hour mark. But you know, anything can happen. So don't count the chickens before they hatch, right? So keep trucking on and enjoying the trail.
So I just passed 20.7 miles. Been hiking for 6 hours and a half, so that puts me at 3.2. Little drop, but still way above the average I want to keep. I don't know if you can hear this in the background. There's some thunder rumbling. It seems to be a ways off. I don't see any rain clouds or any storm clouds above me, so I think I'm good. Temperature is still amazing. Love it. It's so nice. The mosquitoes keep trying, but I keep fending them off. They won't win. This is my day. Ketchup is killing it. Just chatted with him on the grams. Still on track to make it halfway before dark, and that's what I'm gonna strive for. Had some coffee at the high point. Apparently it's the high point of Oregon and Washington on the PCT. So all downhill from here.
It is 8:30 p.m. and this will probably be the last time that we'll have any sunlight for one of these videos. Everything looks beautiful right now. Got that golden hour setting in. Definitely feeling tired now. A little harder to stay motivated when the sun's going down. Maybe that's just me.
Instead of going left, right, I am now going right, left, left.
Really looking forward to some ramen. I think my body's craving salt right now. I don't know if I'm gonna stop and eat before I get to Shelter Cove or not. We'll just see how things go, see how my energy levels are. Other than that, well, nothing. See you later.
I don't know if you can see me, but I made it to mile 31 without using my headlamp. The moon's about half full, so I can see the trail pretty well. 10 more minutes and I'll probably need the headlamp. Gonna go to Windigo Pass. Should be a water cache there. That's pretty much where I'll restock snacks again, stock up on water and keep moving. Yup, feel good.
Denken, pure vreugde. Gewoon, weet je niet, gewoon echt blijheid. Weet je, gewoon opgewektheid. Echt ongebreideld optimisme. Ik ga het even pakken.
The tiredness is set in pretty hardcore. I tried to do the whole thing without listening to music or podcasts or anything. I don't know why, just personal goal, but I abandoned that and listening to a podcast now and just trying to get through the night. By the next time I video, I should have passed the 100K mark as well, which is director's goal for today, but we both are going to be ending at the same spot. So still hoping he's doing well. I know that nighttime's always just so much more of a struggle.
Oh, hello, dear people of the internet. I am hiking in America.
Trail's harder to see and you move slower.
It is the middle of the night.
My pace has definitely slowed down a little bit.
It is the middle of the night. I don't know.
Just keep putting one foot in front of the other.
So I just PR'd. I passed 40 miles. I'm gonna go another 5 miles to a campground on Summit Lake. I think that's where the other guys are, by which I mean Olive Oil, Ponderosa, and Diva.
I stopped by camp just a little bit back, had a pit toilet, used that. Felt great. Ultralight, you know.
There's pit toilets, and if there's one thing Yo Director likes, it's the good old pit toilet. So, yeah.
All right, 17 hours in. Obviously still dark. 62.4, 62.5, something like that miles. Means I have just under a half marathon to go. I've been drinking a little bit of Mio caffeine and listening to some podcasts, and it's been pretty good. I'm still really tired. Body's feeling great, but about a mile from the top and then it's all downhill. Not that that's easy, but I am definitely stoked to go to sleep. Yeah, I just passed the 100K. It was 16 hours and 50 minutes. So, director, you better beat that.
I am at mile, 45.1. 3/4 of the way there. I got 17 miles left. I'm having a little break.
20 hours into it, 72.7 miles. Just a little bit more to go. Honestly, this feels like the hardest part. Motivation's pretty gone, but can't give up now. Just gotta keep rolling. Haven't sat down in so long, just looking forward to that. But so close. So talk to you in a bit.
We have survived the night, so great success. Have about 7.5 miles left to Shelter Cove Resort, and damn do I hope that it lives up to the name Resort. I have joined the 60 Mile Club. Me, along with 1 billion mosquitoes who joined the same club, hitchhiking on my legs. 2.1 miles left to Shelter Cove. Legs are just tired, feet kind of hurt. Spirit not broken. Nope. Last push. So we are finishing off our 62.1 miles with a lovely road walk. Nothing feels better on your feet than a good road walk at the end of a 62.1 mile day. Lol. I wish.
Yeah.
Actually, the lunch in Timberline I thought was better.
Really?
Lunch one day, breakfast the next day. And the lunch was like,
Oh, how was the buffet in Timberline?
yeah, I was just saying, I had the lunch one day and then the breakfast the next day. And
Okay.
I actually liked the lunch better.
The lunch better?
But the breakfast was also awesome.
Okay.
Are you filming me?